Hi everyone, I'm Manala and I'm here to tell you who is a woman. Woman is a one who is full of responsibilities. Woman is a one full of challenges. And definitely woman is a one who acts as a helping hand for the growth of society. Without a woman, there is no life on the earth which is being existed. So let us give woman a chance to explore herself. Every stage of a woman is full of challenges. She needs to face many challenges to get on to the next stage of her life. So definitely what she needs is a chance where she can prove herself what she is to the society. This is saying that there is no gender bias and men and women are equally important and the rights given to them are equally the same. But in reality, in few parts of the world, this is still being not implemented even till date. The one best place where the women inequality is being shown is in the field of education. Education is one place where men and women are completely shown difference or inequality. It is not in all parts of the world, but definitely in some parts of the world. Even today, there's a saying that a girl need not get educated much as that of a man. Why? Why can't a girl get herself educated? When she's really interested to learn something and when she's really interested to achieve something in her life, give her a chance. Give her a chance to explore herself. Everyone will be telling that a woman need to be independent, a woman need to be independent. When will a woman be independent? Until and unless she is practically independent. You need to give her a chance to be independent. So theoretical work is completely different than that of a practical work. Until and unless you are practically learning to be independent, you cannot be independent. In practical things, you can understand the difficulties what you're going to face and the problems what you're going to face and how to overcome those problems and all. So this is only being done when you learn to be independent practically.
Special bond between two people where they come together and promise each other to stick through thick and thin together. A person should be mentally, physically, financially, and in all other ways be ready to take up the responsibility of having another person in their life. And each person reaches this kind of maturity at a very different age. Rushing a marriage or forcing someone to get married just because they are of is a very wrong concept. And not only being a wrong concept, this is rubbed into a woman's life a lot more than a man's life. I feel that everyone should be given the freedom to choose when they are ready for marriage and whom they are going to get married.
So I would like to talk about financial independence, and you see this topic is not highlighted as much as it should be. But given the choice, a woman should be able to decide whether she wants to work or not, no matter what it is. Even though sometimes she may be qualified, but then because of reasons, because of other reasons, responsibilities, her work could be at pause. And yeah, of course, it's definitely a personal choice for any woman to be able to work or not. It should be up to her. And upon that, it brings me to another important aspect, which is choices. I think choices also play a really big role in your life, and they can be very influential as well. Your choices could be from pressure from your relatives or your friends or people around you, your own family, your own parents. But I think it's very important that you should be the person who will make the final decision